Welcome back to Color and Canvas. We don't usually start our videos out with a hideous painting, but today we are, because this is the what do you do with it when edition of Color and Canvas. This was a really terrible pour. I'm not even going to tell you what it was because it was a failed experiment. And that happens because not every pour is going to turn out right. You're going to want to scrape some of them. But what do you do if you don't want to scrape it right away? Because there's a lot of paint on here. Let's swipe it. So that's what we're going to do. So I have my black paint, which is quite thick actually. So I'm going to thin it out. I'm going to put in a bit more pouring medium to it and a whole bunch of water in there. Really thin it down because I'm going to be adding silicone to it. Let's get that nice thin black paint working for us here. Not even thin enough. But the other thing I'm going to do, but just because I have it mixed, is I have some 24 karat gold. I'm going to mix it in with my black just to give it some shine. And it will react very, very differently with that 24 karat gold in there. So a bit more water. And then I'm going to add some silicone to it. This is our OGX coconut hair serum that I like to use. Coconut milk hair serum by OGX. And I will put I put it into a squeeze bottle because I broke my bottle top. I'm going to put like 5 drops in there, which is a lot for a cup that size, but I want a lot right now. We have a lot of terrible things to cover up here, so, so we're going to put in a lot. All right. And I'm just going to pour it along right there